Is your space too small for a full-size fridge? Meet the Frigidaire EFR115 Mini Fridge, your perfect solution. If you've ever found yourself struggling to fit a bulky fridge into a cramped dorm room, office, or RV, you know the pain. Not only do they take up precious space, but they can also be loud, waste energy, and simply aren't designed for smaller areas. Your options seem limited. How can you find a fridge that offers convenience without overwhelming your limited space? The answer is simple: the Frigidaire EFR115 Mini Fridge, a space-saving hero that fits right into those tight spots while offering the perfect cooling solution. Enter the Frigidaire EFR115 Mini Fridge, the space saver that tackles all your frustrations. At just 1.6 cubic feet, it's perfect for smaller rooms, offices, and even dorms. No more worrying about wasted space. Plus, with its reversible door, you have the flexibility to place it wherever works best. Its low-noise operation, under 37 decibel, ensures you won't hear any annoying hums while studying or sleeping, offering a peaceful and cool environment. Its small footprint and efficient design are truly the solution to all the space and noise issues you've faced with traditional fridges. Temperature control often feels like an afterthought with many mini fridges, but not with the Frigidaire EFR115. With an adjustable thermostat, you can set the fridge to the perfect temperature for your food and drinks. No more worrying about soggy sandwiches or lukewarm beverages. The compressor cooling technology ensures it performs efficiently, no matter the weather outside or inside your room. Whether you're craving ice-cold soda or perfectly chilled snacks, this fridge guarantees it. It's a precision cooling system that solves your temperature worries without compromising on space or style. Have you ever dreaded cleaning out a fridge? The Frigidaire EFR115 takes the pain out of fridge maintenance with removable, spill-proof shelves. Cleaning is as easy as sliding out the shelves and wiping them down, no need to take apart the entire fridge. Plus, you can easily adjust the shelving to accommodate all your items, whether it's a few drinks or leftover pizza. The convenience and user-friendly design make this fridge more than just a cooling machine, it's a total game-changer for your space and cleaning routine. What's the best part? The Frigidaire EFR115 Mini Fridge isn't just a quick fix for your space problems, it's built to last, offering great quality at an affordable price. Its energy-efficient design means you'll save money on your electric bill, while its durable construction ensures it'll be your reliable fridge for years to come. So, if you're looking for a fridge that balances affordability, performance, and compact size, this is the ultimate solution. The Frigidaire EFR115 is a perfect fit for any home, office, or dorm room, and it delivers exactly what you need.